Hello guys, welcome to Bunnyhost Tutorials. If you are here, it means you are interested in setting up your emails on Outlook. On the previous video, I showed you a tutorial on how to set up your emails using Gmail, but some of you maybe you still prefer to use Outlook, so this is your video. So basically, I'm expecting that you've already opened your Outlook. If you haven't done so, you must open it. Then once you open your Outlook, you go to File, and then you go to Account Settings. You click Account Settings, and then you click Account Settings again. You see at the below it says Add and Remove Accounts for change existing connection settings. So as you can see here, there is no account at all. So I'm going to add my email account for the first time. So here I'm just gonna let me just leave this part. Just click on manual setup or additional type servers, and then click on POP or IMAP. Then here you write your name, same name, and then here it's your email, paul@bunnyhost in my case .com. Of course you're gonna put your own email, and then here there's this thing, guys. You need to have this information, so I'm gonna put it in the description so that you can just copy and paste, but you need to save it somewhere safe because you're gonna need it for all your email setup. We also used it on Gmail, and so you're also gonna have to use it here. And then your username is your email address. Please don't forget to use the same email address that you create, right? So basically, if you're gonna create info@bunnyhost.com, you're gonna put info here, and then you're gonna put the info here. You don't just put any random email, otherwise the settings won't work. And then here I'm gonna put my strong password that I created. Let me make sure. Yep. And then before we test the account if it's fine, you must go here and do some further settings and click here. So here, guys, you just follow my steps, né? You just follow my steps. 465, I think, if I'm not mistaken, because if I'm mistaken, guys, it's not going to work. One mistake, the settings, your emails are not working. So let us test. Completed. It means they are working, they are fine. Let's wait for the second one. Let's cross our fingers. Completed. This is excellent, guys. So now you can click next. It is going to test again, and then obviously we know now that it's going to be successful. And then after this stage, you've added your email. You can start receiving messages. You can start communicating. For those who are comfortable using Outlook, so guys, these are your settings. So you can always add another one here and all those kind of stuff. So let me close this folder. Now you can see there's Paul here at bunnyhost.com. There's probably gonna be an email that comes shortly, just to show you that your email is working. Let us see. Yes, you see, Microsoft Outlook. These are the emails that they're sending you to show you that you are able to receive emails. And then of course, if you want to compose a new email, you come here. And then this is where you compose your email, etc, etc. So it's going to work, guys. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you're watching for the first time, click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the notification bell so that you can get more tutorials like this in the future. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I wish you success in all your businesses. From me and Bunnyhost, guys, we say bye bye for now. Get yourself a free website from bunnyhost.com. T's and C's apply.